In this video, we will introduce ourselves to the basic concepts of demand, quantity demanded, and determinants of demand. First, let us understand the meaning of demand and quantity demanded. Demand, according to Ferguson, it refers to the quantities of a commodity that the consumers are able and willing to buy at each possible price during a given period of time, other things being equal. Therefore, demand is defined as the amount of product or service that a consumer or a group of consumers are willing and able to buy at different prices in a given period. A simple desire to purchase a commodity does not constitute demand as it is not effective. However, desire is the major component of it. Effective demand is a combination of three elements: desire, means to purchase, and willingness to utilize those means for buying. A demand is not considered as demand if it is not supported by the ability to pay the price of the product. Now, quantity demanded. Quantity demanded represents the exact quantity, that is, how much of a good or service is demanded by consumers at a particular price. It is the actual amount of goods desired at a certain price. Therefore, quantity demanded refers to how much of an economic good or service is demanded by a consumer or a group of consumers at a given period at a certain price. In a given period at a certain price. There are two important points related to quantity demanded, which are: number one, it is always expressed at a given price. In essence, different quantities are demanded at different prices. Number two, it is a flow, which means quantity demanded does not indicate a single purchase, rather a continuous flow of purchases. Therefore, the fundamental difference between demand and quantity demanded is that demand simply denotes the willingness and a person's ability to purchase. As against this, quantity demanded represents the amount of an economic good or service desired by consumers at a fixed price. Now, we turn to determinants of demand. Determinants refer to the factors that affect demand of a commodity. Any change in determinants of demand will affect the demand or quantity demanded. These factors include, first of all, price of a good. If price of a good increases, quantity demanded of that good decreases. Conversely, if price of a good decreases, its demand increases. Next is price of related goods. These goods are of two types: substitute goods and complementary goods. Substitute goods are those goods that can be used in place of each other. Price of a substitute and demand for the other good are directly related. For example, if price of a substitute good X increases, then demand for good Y, of which good X is a substitute, also increases. Next is complementary goods. These are those goods that can be used together. Price of a complementary good and demand for the other good are inversely related. For example, if price of a substitute good X increases, if price of a complementary good X increases, then demand for good Y, of which good X is a complement, decreases. Next determinant of demand is income of a consumer. A rise in a person's income will lead to an increase in his or her demand for goods and services, and vice versa. Next, tastes and preferences of consumers. Favorable changes in tastes and preferences of consumers leads to an increase in demand, whereas unfavorable change leads to a decrease in demand. Besides these major factors, there are other factors such as size of population that affect demand. Greater the size of population, greater will be the demand of goods and services. Next is future price and income expectations. A consumer's current demand will increase if they expect higher future prices. Their demand will decrease if they expect lower future prices. Similarly, consumers' current demand will increase if they expect higher future income. Their demand will decrease if they expect lower future income. That's all about demand, quantity demanded, and determinants of demand.